Yeah, this one. So you can see here, this is the file. Okay. Click on open. Now it will take some time. 100% as it done. You see the file is uploaded. So I repeat once again. First step will remain as it is. This step means from google.colab import file, file.upload. You are calling an upload function. This upload function will going to help you to upload a file. Let me rerun this and explain you again. See, upload file, choose file. Wherever you have saved this file, you will go to this path. Suppose if you have a desktop, you click on desktop and go to the folder and select file. My file is in download, so I'm going to the download and select this file. This is the file. Open. So it will going to upload within a second. You see here, right? Now, how we're going to process it? Click on this. Now here, df dot read CSV. Here, just pass the name of a file. Copy this file. Sorry, extend. Yeah, just copy the name of a file and paste it in a double quotes. Df is not defined. Okay, 1 minute. Df dot read CSV. Okay, sorry, I'm PDF pandas. So you can see here, right? You just now you are able to get the data. So this is the way of running the code in a collab. See, both are having same UI, same structure. The only difference is how to run the code. Here in the collab, they will not going to identify your local system path. So you have to upload the file. Then you have to just call pandas.read CSV and run it. And you can save this in a variable as well. Df equal to this and rerun this. Now you can run this. You can add a df and you can run this. So it will going to print here. You can see here when I run this df, it is going to give you an output, right? So we don't have a value here. That's why it is showing NaN. That is not a number. You can print a df as well, right? So I hope it is clear to you how to run the function and how to read an Excel file with Colab and Jupyter Notebook both.
Okay, Amit, I have one question.
Yeah.
So instead of copying and paste that um, uh, documents every time, we can import that file even in Python and
No.
everywhere, right?
No, you
And then
in Jupyter Notebook you can't do it. In Jupyter Notebook you have to pass the path like this.
okay.
In Colab
Oh.
only you can do it because Colab is a cloud. In cloud,
Mhm.
you might be when you work in the cloud, there
Mhm.
you have to log in it, right? Here, just like I log in with a Gmail ID. So there it will not connect it to your local system. So there you have to upload the file.
Oh,
Just,
okay.
just like in a company they
Uh-huh.
will give you a cloud access. Okay. So
Uh-huh.
company will give you a cloud access. So there a lot of restriction will be there in the laptop. So there you can upload a file from your laptop only. You can't upload it from other. So that's why in a Google Colab, there is an import function through which you can upload a file. But
Okay.
if you are working in a Jupyter notebook, then you have to pass the complete path where the file is present.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just sharing this file with you right away. Okay. Practice this file and make the graph as well. Tomorrow I will going to explain you how you can do arithmetic operation or some addition, some aggregation on the Python.
Sure.
Okay.